Hi everyone, for today's video we are doing a very short video on UFO paper. So how to fold other regular size 60-degree paper into an 80-degree paper. So this way you can utilize the UFO with other paper filters that you enjoy using. For folding of the paper, I will show you 3 ways of folding and you can try them out and see which of the folding method fit you the most. So as you can see here that the UFO paper is wider than the regular 60-degree paper. Essentially with the regular paper we want to fold it to create more angle. If we lay it over, you can see that we have to fold it to be a little bit more imaginative. So the first way to do, the most simple way and what UFO also recommend is you're going to choose about 4 centimeters and you're going to fold it up, straight up this way. There we go, see? And when you do that, you can see that it's about the same on this angle. So this angle is the most important part. And what you're going to be left with is this little blip here. So what we're going to do here is we are going to rip it. So we're going to rip this side like this. So when you rip it like that, this will go nicely into your UFO. You can use this method in both the smaller size paper and the bigger size paper. And if this is in the way, you can always fold it down too. Boom, just like that. Pretty. Okay, and the second way to fold the paper is one of my favorite because then it doesn't have one side that have like triple fold, and this way is a bit more symmetry. Essentially what we are going to do, we are going to fold 2 ways. So we're going to fold this way first, about 2 centimeters. And then you're going to flip it over and do the same, about 2 centimeters. Just like this. This and this. And if you put it side by side, as you can see, it's very similar in terms of size. And you don't need to use the negotiator or anything. You can go like that, bring the UFO in. And once the paper is wet, it will hold its shape. Go up the seam. And there we go. Please note that the way that you're folding the paper will also affect some of the flow rate as well, because there's pretty much more paper particle toward the bottom part. As you can see here, there's more paper on this side and there's more paper on this side because of the fold. And the last fold is very similar to the fold that we just did in the second part. And essentially we're going to do the same thing, but we don't have to flip. So here you go, about 2 centimeters or so. And then the same thing, about 2 centimeters or so. There we go. This is going to create a V shape that look like a wing. Look like that. And should be about the same. Here you go. And once you wet the paper, this should hold the shape as well. Boom. Go up the seam. Here you go, as you can see here. Nicely done. And this create a little bit of the wing side, so a little bit of the fold here. For this way, the reason why I don't like it as much as previous one is because right here have quite a bit of the paper. So to me, it's not as symmetry as the last fold or the fold before. Try it out and see which way of folding the paper fit your brewing style the most. So enjoy using the UFO. Bye.